How to bypass or fix the CRC list or the sparse CRC list error in Xiaomi Mi Flash tool. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the sparse CRC list error or the CRC list error which you might get while flashing a fast boot ROM using the Xiaomi Mi Flash tool. Now, this here is the main page of the Xiaomi Mi Flash tool, and on the bottom right, you have a bunch of different options. Now, based on the option you select, the name of the file changes. So if I'm using clean all, I'm getting the file name as flash_all.bat. Similarly, if I choose save user data, I get flash all except storage, and clean all and lock gives me flash all lock. So these are the names of the file corresponding to the options. Now, first of all, you need to know what option you are choosing. So let us say in my case, I'm using clean all. Then the name of the file is flash_all.bat. Next thing you need to do is you need to go into the folder where you have extracted the fast boot image file. Now, a pro tip over here is that if you renamed the file or if the path is too long, go ahead and put this folder. So this is the folder wherein I have all the images and all the files. Now, super important thing to note, I have given this a smaller name, which is 11x, which is the name of the device itself, and there are no spaces. That is super important. The other thing is, if I go inside this folder, tap on the address bar, you can see that the path is very small. So again, put the folder on your desktop, give it a smaller name without any spaces, including the fact that the path should not have any spaces, and then try flashing it. That is one way of resolving the CRC list and the sparse CRC list error. Now, if that does not work for you, then you need to edit the corresponding file. So here are the files: flash all except internal storage, flash all lock. Do note all these have Windows batch file as the type. The .sh files are for Mac and Linux. They are not used by the Mi Flash tool, so those can be ignored. In my case, I was doing flash all and clean. So this is the file, corresponding file. Right click on this once it is highlighted, and you should get the option of edit. If you're running Windows 11, then you need to go into show more options, and now we have the option of edit. So this is your commands which are being used to flash, and herein these are the errors which we are getting, right? Flash CRC list error and flash sparse CRC list error. So how do you fix this? Well, go to that specific line and go to the beginning, make sure that caps lock is turned on, herein type rem space, and similarly for the next line where it is trying to flash the sparse CRC list, again do the same thing, rem space, and then go ahead and say file and save this. So now it is not going to flash these two files or perform a check for these two files. But do note that once the flashing is completed, you might still get an error and your device is going to reboot. Now, as long as your device reboots into MIUI, everything is working fine. You do not have to worry about commenting these two files while flashing the stock firmware using the Mi Flash tool. And there it is, peeps. Once you have added rem space in front of these two fast boot commands, you should no longer get the error message of CRC list error or the sparse CRC list error while flashing stock fast boot ROMs on your MIUI devices using the Xiaomi Mi Flash tool. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.